How to draw a centipede, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So today we're going to be drawing a centipede. For the first step, we're going to begin by drawing a shape that will be the head of our centipede on the left hand side of our page. And if you are new to learn how to draw Hub, then welcome. We regularly upload step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, so if you're looking for a new place to draw, then you're in the right spot. Next, we will continue by drawing the body of our centipede. By drawing the body of our centipede, we're going to draw shapes that will be connected to the head that we just made. And keep in mind that if I ever go too fast, or if you need an additional moment, then feel free to pause or rewind the video as you need to. And if you are enjoying today's video or finding it helpful, then be sure to give this video a big like and comment thanks down below to help us continue to grow our YouTube channel and meet other artists just like yourself. Fantastic! So far this looks very good. As of right now, we're going to take a brief break from drawing the body of our centipede, and we're now going to draw the antennas that will be attached to the head. Great! Now if you're just like me and you finished drawing the antennas, we can now go ahead and finish drawing the rest of the body of our centipede. For the body of my centipede, I'm going to draw it as if it has a curve, as if it is moving or walking on the ground. At the very end of today's video, I'll show a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause and match your colors like mine. Keep in mind that when drawing the centipede's body, you can make the shapes that connect to make the body as big or small as you would like. Nice! Now, at this point, I'm going to draw the back legs of our centipede, which will look similar to the antennas that we drew earlier on in today's video. Fantastic! So far this looks great. Now let's go ahead and draw the legs of our centipede. For this step, keep in mind that each of the legs that we draw will be very small and come to a sharp point. Each of the legs that we draw will be connected to a piece of the body that we previously drew together. Just like I mentioned earlier in today's video, be sure to pause or rewind as you need to if I ever go too fast. Nice, we're almost halfway done. This is how to draw a centipede. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos just like this. And in just a moment, I'll show you a picture of it all colored in. Great job today, and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.